back and our coverage of homegrown F1 team Force India's one from a billion driver hunt continues. After last week's racing in Bangalore, the action now moves to the Kart Cave track in Hyderabad. Abhishek Singh was there and here's what he saw. We've been following the Force India one from a billion driver hunt for almost 4 weeks now. But the one thing we haven't fallen short of is surprises. We've more or less seen it all, from drivers who started karting at the age of 4 to former national karting champs, to Rotax Dubai and Malaysia drivers. There was even one participant who tested for Formula BMW.
This week, the one from a billion hunt has gone underground. We're at the Kart Cave, a 350-meter track with 9 curves and controlled surface temperature so as to keep the competition even. The track's not too bad. Let's see how the Hyderabad drivers are, shall we?
But in Hyderabad, we found an even bigger surprise, one that the world of Formula One racing hasn't seen in almost 2 decades, a female driver. And what a driver she was. Abha Mankar, with her best lap timing of 23.8 seconds at the Kart Cave track, beat the gentleman hands down.
You see a girl actually beat all the boys, so it's not really simple and it's not very easy.
Basically, my dad used to follow F1 a lot. He was very interested in putting himself into motorsports, but then he couldn't do that due to lack of financial backup. He introduced me into the sport, karting. I took a liking to it, and gradually I penetrated into the sport, and I started racing in the national events. I've raced in the MRF MAI National Karting Challenge for 2 years, and I've raced in the JK Tyre Rotax Max Challenge for 2 years again after the MRF Challenge. In the second year in MRF, I got a podium in every race. I stood second in the overall national championship. I was the only girl, I still am. And in the Rotax, my first year was for learning basically, and in the second year I won the first round of the Junior Max championship. It's actually never at the back of my head. I wouldn't like to say I'm the only girl in the event with so many boys. Actually, I want to make a gender equality statement, and I wish more girls come into the sport, because for sure if they have the willpower, they can surely beat the guys. I think it's really great Mr. Vijay Mallya has a team in F1 Force India, and they are doing really good, and I just hope I get through the program and get to be a part of it. I would love to pursue this as my career, and as far as it can get me, I'll definitely go along with the flow. The speed involved in motorsports really thrills me. I love it. I just love it.
Without a doubt, this is one woman who really has gasoline flowing through her veins, and we'd gladly put our money on her making it all the way to the grand finals at Silverstone. We'd like to be fair here to the other Hyderabad drivers and add that the overall driver quality was quite good, and the hours of practice put in by the top 14 really paid off. When the day's racing was done, we were left with 14 spirited drivers from Hyderabad who looked all set for the nationals. And with the lady leading the pack, this bunch is sure to create some ripples at the finals. And we shall be eagerly watching from the sidelines.
Now, the last female Formula One driver was Giovanna Amati, who used to race for Team Brabham 18 long years back. Abha Mankar, who stands first from Hyderabad, seems to be following in her footsteps. Whether she makes it to an F1 car or not is another story. For now, being the only female in the national rounds is a feat in itself. And that is a long and short from the Hyderabad rounds. Next, we'll see you in Chennai.